In this video, I am going to be solving a hard question from the October 2022 SAT. And this video is going to be part of a 5-part series where I'll be taking hard questions from the October 2022 SAT and solving them. Hello Scholar, thank you for joining me again on today's episode. If you are new to this channel, my name is Dr. Jide and welcome to this channel. This is a channel, your one-stop channel for everything SAT math preparation. So today we have a question from the October 2022 SAT exam. This is one of the hard questions on that exam. So it says x squared plus 2x minus 1 equals to 0. A solution to the given equation is square root of k minus 1. Now, the minus 1 is separate from the root of square root of k, all right? What is the value of k? All right, so let's write this here. X squared plus 2x minus 1 equals to 0. Now, if I look at this equation, we cannot factorize this equation. Factorization will not help us get the roots of this equation. So we have to try another method. All right. Now there is a quadratic formula that you can use to get the roots of an equation. And the quadratic formula is written like this. X, the root of the equation is minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. All right. Now, B, A, and C are the coefficients of the quadratic equation. All right. The quadratic equation is written as ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. Every quadratic equation. A is the coefficient of x squared, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant. All right. So from comparing this with this, you have that A is what? 1. The coefficient of x squared is 1. The coefficient of x there is 2. And C is negative 1. All right. So let's put this into this equation. All right. So this becomes, we have equals to negative 2 plus or minus 2 squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. You can just write 2 here. All right. So this becomes negative 2 plus or minus. So this is 4 plus 4, because this is minus 4 times 1, negative 4. Negative 4 times negative 1 is plus 4 divided by 2. All right. So this becomes negative 2 plus or minus root 8 divided by 2. All right. So then this becomes negative 2 plus or minus 2 root 2 divided by 2. So quick one. How did I get 2 root 2 from root 8? Remember, root 8 is the same thing as saying root 4 times root 2, which is square root of 4 times square root of 2. So square root of 4 is 2 root 2. That's how I got that. All right. So we continue. So that becomes negative 2 plus 2 root 2 divided by 2, or negative 2 minus 2 root 2 divided by 2. Let me separate this here. All right. That's why you have 2 roots, all right, of a quadratic equation. So this becomes 2 root 2 minus 2 divided by 2, or negative 2 minus 2 root 2 divided by 2. So then this becomes 2 goes here, root 2 minus 2 divided by 2 is 1, or minus 2 divided by 2 is negative 1, minus this cancels this, minus root 2. So the roots of this equation are root 2 minus 1, or minus 1 minus root 2. So the question says a solution to the given equation is root of k minus 1. Root of k minus 1. That is what k means is what? 2. All right, and that's the answer to this hard SAT math question. If you found value from this video, as I'm sure you did, please make sure you like, share, comment, and even subscribe, all right, so that you can get notifications on more hard SAT math problems that I will be solving, and also other questions on SAT that I'll be dealing with. All right, I'll see you next time. Thank you.